Well, this is our RC club here at Johnstown, Pennsylvania. If you get a chance to get in the area, look us up and visit us. I'm learning how to fly my drone here and how to do some aerial videography, and just learning some skills because I'll be using this for some of my other outdoor activities. I like to get some shots of myself out on the lake fishing with my kayak. The rough field look in here. It's spring, so it's kind of wet and a bit rough yet. As season goes on, it'll get in better shape, but this is kind of a view around of our area. That's our main road that comes up to us for our access. I'll tilt down here, and this is our flight line, so to speak, where we have our workbenches and so forth for getting our airplanes ready. Also have some picnic tables underneath that canopy to help protect us from the sun or the rain. Now I'll tilt up and get more of a panoramic view here. All the trees. Got a lot of trees here. Pennsylvania stands for Penn's Woods, and we got a lot of trees here. I've never seen so many broadleaf trees in my life as I have in Pennsylvania. So there must be oxygen rich here. Off in the distance there, you'll see some windmills. Got quite a few of those around the area. Despite it being coal country, have that. That there is the Saddle Club across the road from us. So here I'll get down to ground level and I'll take a spin around here, or pan around, and this is what our airfield looks like at ground level. Got a couple of different directions we can go for runways. That's pretty much it. So it's time to end this shot and land.